Hello, I'm Colin Horner, a proud member of BNI based in Johannesburg, South Africa. Through this network, I have become aware of a human tragedy unfolding in Croatia. In March 2020, an earthquake measuring 5.5 struck Zagreb. The Solidarna Foundation was formed and coordinated private and public donations to assist 79 most severely affected and deprived families. On 29 December 2020, an earthquake measuring 6.4 struck Sisak Moslavina, affecting 3 cities, Petrinja, Sisak and Glina, and thousands of scattered rural households. This event has been followed by multiple daily aftershocks. This time, the devastation is far more serious. Local communities are much more fragile, with severe winter conditions and pandemic-related health risks, and extensive damage to agriculture and cultural heritage sites. The Solidarna Foundation is appealing to the international community for assistance. Our aim is to secure micro-grants for housing and repairs as soon as possible, in collaboration with solidarity networks in local communities. All private and corporate donors who require a donation certificate should send relevant contact information to this email address, and you will be contacted soon thereafter. All donors who provide contact information will receive periodic updates of the outcomes of this effort. I'm Colin Horner. Thank you for listening.